Hi friends, welcome to Sri Sai IT Hub. In this video of Core Python Programming, we are going to discuss the following topic: if-else statement in Python programming, which is a branching control structure. So first of all, what is this control structure? So control structure. Control means condition. Structure means indented block of code or a group of statements. So the definition goes like this: executing indented block of code based on a condition is called control structure. True, execute the code. False, do not execute the code. So now coming to if-else statement. So it is used to test a condition, true or false. So if the condition is true, then it will execute if indented block of code or if block code. If the condition is false, then it executes else indented block of code, which is else block code. So the syntax goes like this: if condition true, it will execute if indented block of code, and then it will come out of the control structure. If condition is false, then it will execute else indented block of code, and then it will come out of the control structure. So let us try to demonstrate this with a small program. So take a new page. So first write comments at the beginning of the program. So here, input, enter your age. So convert that into integer and store that in a variable age. Check if age greater than or equal to 18. Then execute if indented block of code. So we are printing you are eligible for voting. After that, end of the program. All right. So save this. Come to the prompt where you have saved this and then run it. So enter your age, 23. So you are eligible for voting. After that, end of the program. So now age. So let us take age is equals to 11. So 11 greater than or equals to 18, false. So it will come to else indented block of code, print not eligible for voting. After that, end of the program. So save it and then age 11. So not eligible for voting. End of the program. If true, execute if indented block of code. If false, execute else indented block of code. So this is how we are supposed to work with if else statement in Python programming, which is a branching control structure. Thank you for watching this video. Do like, comment and share this video, and also subscribe to the YouTube channel Sri Sai IT Hub. Have a nice day.